Hey guys, welcome to English Test World. Let's start. Question 1. She works in Saturday, on Saturday, at Saturday. The correct answer is on. She works on Saturday. Question 2. I stay at home in the morning, on the morning, at the morning. Which one is correct? I stay at home in the morning. Question 3. How do you get to work? By car, by the car, on car. The correct answer is by car. Question 4. Do you like classical music? Yes, I like. Yes, I does. Yes, I do. Do you like classical music? Yes, I do. Question 5. Where is Mary? She's stand over there. She's standing over there. She is standing over there. The correct answer is standing. She is standing over there. Question 6. There are 200 students in my school. There are 200 students in my school. There is 200 students in my school. The correct answer is there are. There are 200 students in my school. Please subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you. Question 7. Do you live in California? Yes, I live. Yes, I do live. Yes, I do. The correct answer is I do. Do you live in California? Yes, I do. Question 8. Is that their car? Is that their car? Is that their car? The correct answer is their. Is that their car? No, it isn't. Question 9. Where is this blue bag? How big is this blue bag? How much is this blue bag? It's $5. The answer is how much? How much is this blue bag? Question 10. What's her job? She's an actress, the actress, an actress. She's an actress. Please comment your score for me. Thank you. See you later.